That's right. Right now we are standing at the intersection of Route 3 and 25 here in Meredith. And this intersection, this main intersection, the lights have been out for at least several hours. And now the state's Director of Homeland Security and Emergency Management says the power may be out until Sunday for some people in the state. Utility crews have been working all over the state. The high winds and icy conditions making it a tough night for those utility crews. Eversource says most of the outages have been from ice accumulating on trees and then the limbs hitting lines, or in some cases cars hitting utility poles. Power crews and first responders worked around the state to quickly clean up the mess. They continue to work on that. We met up with a man walking on the street who said he lost power around 6 this evening. Any idea how much longer?
No clue.
How have you been getting by the last couple hours?
Candles. And I mean, what can we do?
And it is so dark in this part of Meredith, the man had lights on his shoes to try and make him more visible to cars. Also, Eversource reminding everyone that if you see any downed power lines, stay away from them and call 911. In Meredith, Jessica Moran, WMUR News 9.